Okay, FM 101.7.
Honorable Misamo Kwababio.
And your fashion technology do baby.
I knew.
And so to a high technology.
Hey! Monkafra. Aye. Okay, Honorable. Na me bisa budget no. Enra de wote ye di free mu ene te wate kura de wunuanom NDC fo so kan. Ene no pe kura no. Wo mo so wo be press conference. No mo bo mada pedi. Wo mo the true state of the media review. And the one be press conference. What see the call any the almost so kika any the media to anim ya oje say.
Yo Kwame emze nimbe bia ni duru ya ahoma no ati. Na o ta free ni sa free in some bisa first no di chat no. Say o mo say ya tini reach your revenue target. Enunti na ye ba be diska. Na o say ye hu say Yadapa and Untina, the engineer reach a revenue target. The Nintika was here free. The methods are mechanic. The revenue generation capacity of any country is never be brings. And Kasiapa woman the production capacity of that country. Now, one factor, a lot of influence, our production capacity. So, the performance of the banking or financial sector. The more I born to 15 years, the more Kaya. So I'm Dr. Mahmoud Bawu. We are not running it to Nanado Dankwe Kufuado. I am Obabaye Vice President to the President. What it will do number of times. Say your banks no omujina bia womu wono. So you're 2-1 among years. Na egunso a be affect business community be affect nipa na wo msika wo ho no bebrebe and also be affect the revenue generation capacity of the country. Say no mfi say bia point is being obi, and that's the reality we are facing today. And no reality no enene aba betu yan a ye ka ho atem CCA. The bank the bank num are buying a consolidated or this kakushi more consolidated. Young fans and Nike Bia Kra will bear just 1,000 business customers or corporate customers. That's 1,000. And any 5 no 5,000. 5,000 no that's averagely Ubia employ any partner. What are we talking about? 50,000 jobs. But so all production not ever form because the bank no poor performance now. Then income are abiding in zero form and revenue abiding in zero form. So that's it. Because one, workers need to be on more. As we speak, oh yeah, ABI be you omo. Pay as you earn type of income taxes, Unya. And I'm saying, guna businesses no go and make losses. No, your corporate profit, they are giving the making losses. But we make losses. And now what do revenue? When people are become unemployed, among local investors come on non-productive areas. And then adding on to the production process. The revenue generation capacity no confirm. The men they created plan and no effect and affecting revenue. So your systems are being to acquire bibria and can be well than what we are witnessing. But Diana M1 was any woman who now more cost a catch hands of now. There's also the energy sector. So, apart from, so when we invest in excess generation capacity, I know here. Only the bad nature of the agreement. Say, take or pay. The idea of produce no new. you, would you, would you question this type of agreement? Now, who got them? In 2008, we see more than $520 million US. And even after June ending this year, we see more than $604 million US. Now, tell me, one more air cost of bad agreement, you know. Now, MPP forecasting. We didn't need additional generation because we had enough generation capacity. About some country now maybe what we needed, the near here is a you better see car near the day. And they say West African gas pipe follow. And in Conphobia, they do you bet Tiasa now me and gas supply and your fuel supply and they are everything generation, you know. We were talking about different things and signing take-or-pay agreements. But in other countries, tell me, and this is not many people who coming with
oh, sir, almost
about their health is shame.
And now, Minister, what must say? One, we have budget projections, say revenue projection, you better say. I feel on the for Kenofurata by and was so only 31% have been realized. It adeɛ na nkasa no wa wantimi anyegye wa ade a wonfa ho so bom kobo bi na afi wantimi anyegye a wosa ba ya ase o munsa ma me sika foforo na mensa mfa nkonkoto adwuma so adeɛ so de o wantimi anyegye argument o mo ye no
there is difference between wantimi anyegye any declining capacity of some of the companies and no more banks the good. How many microfinance institutions and I could have more than 300. Now, 300, when you get a small and medium scale enterprise, will they be able to pay their corporate taxes? One more, will we get income tax from them? You see, it's good to say, there will be a bad and different. If there no, I was now be Kusunumu. There's will be so Nidia no there, Nidia, will be so not depending on baby in the console. So maybe they see the different lens than what we see. I have some comments on Kasa. I have some comments on Kasa. My church and Kofobi and Omoka some tax new government increase in tax new government Omkasa was. The road sector, me Asante region here making. Me good. My food you can see a palm meditative region in the road. Every day, people are complaining, and you are right to complain. You can now say 8 years. What make you come here? What make you come here if you were reading? Now the president, born home the after star the Baba Yamakwaya. I'll say praise the Lord. No, I'll say praise the Lord. And Abona Airborne, I'm a fan here ordinary person so. You only put me money from you. And this is why you will be a condemnema and we see Kakaka down. What is coming in our family and me, a Chinese and you cry and follow. They always think about what they will eat today. But no one will keep them today to enjoy the future. And before you go for kind of crowd one. Yeah, my main for Kakra, Mamma said, you better which me at the moon. Yeah, for being unquiet me myself fool. When nothing, not be nearby. Now, what prayer and that. These are the two categories of people we are talking about. Now, so Papa will be a buy yesterday. Kakra can be a German, your Chinese in the world. I prefer my father to be like the MP. So the Kakra can tell me, or check more make sure say, and nobody did the nine yet to say the moke. Now, if you were to be econo, the idea question Dumamuno, The song for Swan Bedano, the Nidiano, ever back. And that is, I'm not surprised. That is why, so even under the 1982 Constitution, it has good longer. 15 years. If they could change the economy, they would have changed it. If they could change the economy, they could have done that. Yeah. It's unfortunate. Ghana for million. It's a boy. It's a dear. Let us be so small as you. Whatever is Mama, is a young Guamuco. Now, Mamma, when you know, is a boy. Now, Mamma, we are very now to start war. We are very wanting and peerable and ready about near deep propaganda for next year. Over to future woman. The same thing happened in 2001 up to 2008. About 2001, President Kufuor ever inherited a part of the economy. The economy not saying. And I would just say, now President Kufuor that down. And then Hipika, a difficulties a Bukumbewe. And we are bread, you 9 to 2 near Manka, Kranka. Or Barney second time, my shot, yes, Waban. Ghana for you. One level, with the dynamic can say, some level, and another cheap, the Jimmy. Some level, and another great cheap, but I said, very. What do I mean by those? That was the time of banks beer and first, sorry, and a commercial and to parties contact. No, not chasing for somebody. Because not and share was a share in the first term, no, or swabapa. And that is what we are repeating. And yes, I inherited economy, economy, Omega Picky growth rate from 8.4% in 2009. Every buyer about the two as low as 3.7%. Okano 2014, the Kwashiorkor grew for 14% because of the injection of oil money. It's the same as in Alabama, you know. I think Mufayama, a drop Yama growth rate will do 0.04. When you will be about to Tunyama. Irrespective of all the difficulties. And now, we do baby, can I hear them when I say you menu? What you sorry, IMF say, they say you who a bottom of crisis, it's Mamra, number policy credibility. Because the credibility of the government and the economy has run down so low, sir. No, beyond person, so we needed the IMF, therefore, $980 million to give us policy credibility. To enable us move. Some before we know what you can't come. Some before you know when you want to come together. When we press conference, no, we will meet them.
What must say?
And then the same thing, when you are saying one more on the question, oh, can't gather from a penina at Euro. Some men are not here, and it's a kwame me, my woman. Me say, I know. Ya wora, ya wuna muye, tuba ya na kulani daho. Na ube di madia na atwa kulani di ayoba.
Debbie.
They call the whole system. The same thing was I have you. IMF. Come on, penny born we have to win ourselves out of the IMF conditionalities. How can we win yourself from there? Move by not have a say, you must have you. Now, you want to be one free more. I think someone like that. One can inflation, you say. Now you're getting to 70%. So, you have to say. And then 9.4. And still declining. You see, Senemano, Bibiana, you move it here. Near a year. You done another Yamishan. So, what this free SHS number. Now, with the free SHS, I know that with time, no. more Ghanaians, even if not all, will be highly educated. They can read and decipher between lies and propaganda and the truth. And I'm assuring them that they can debate us on facts, on the realities, on the ground. The only thing we cannot mind them is propaganda, and we will not go that way. But we are going to tell the people of Ghana the truth. We are going to do what is right for the people of Ghana. Now, inshallah, Ghana will be over this time. We have a mood here also.
Honorable, lastly, we will raise point B FA energy who say Ghana for who say MPP for about 2 energy moon. Na Esra no na wo ho no eno nana ye de tete energy no ka say one be say increase sa percentage no enti Ghana for hwe ne fa nto aba enti a MPP aban Esra de no why finance person kakra be na na ye be che
kwa ma mechanic kwa mechanic akura a very simple amount energy consumption no is not growing at the rate of one blocker our energy sector na yeti annual. Energy consumption na cost. And cost at said the account ma bottle hono interest payment or principal payment that yeti ano. Okay, FM. The account na wuti ano o bring na ogum say the Icelandic mati. I'm into me. Every other Kukufu. Kukuno. Wash out here or a move to a costume kakra. First, as every hour starting from 1 million. As we Afibia near cost robe 1.1, near 1.2 kakra. Now, Papa, I yet a Juma Fusobi. Now, I a Juma Fufrono. Nasa Jumano at the car above 100,000 more Munya Wahano Kukurika Nuno. A car where you gave Bano. A Fibia Abia can be 500,000. Over than 100,000 now. Bano, what will that come? Whether that could come.
Would Infantica? So that's the point. A family have bad agreements on my other Canada. That's not way. Don't forget that Islam is in relation to consumption. If the consumption rate is grown up, it's not matching the Karama Bonica Yen. That's the truth. And they must be told. They must be told. They should go down. Go back onto the drawing board and do their calculations again. No matter what Ghana for how we are question. Make I say Jama about the for the early part of 2017. Now, you catch up and say about a bit stabilizing energy sector. Well, and our production capacity and the come to be account. When you will need to see more generator and more power. Not generator, no, more diesel. Now we say, Kwame, Coco talk diesel, the good generator, and now good diesel, good generator, you better can hear with ya. Now I'm cheap, not a con with your negotiation. I got to generator can see your boca. I generator now got to buy, you know. I could book a who, what I could give a bank. I could put the later Kakata and so say, the Amusi or Munia. Now, we did buy and I work for Muko. Uko, now you know, you cannot go to fuel. No, the good later that I know. Never mercy or Kenya. What my eye? Hello, my eye. What to end this if I am on to see? I'm pretty. And the difference, and they don't appreciate it. So much I say, church, I cannot. I don't want to see 3 hours and Yama the Bruma.
I think that's a problem in that.
Obani baako a medi twa to ne se na nsen what is a cocoa ehun nsem aba wo mkura se cocoa se aban ne akuafo ni niye wo ye cocoa kuani de ekoso preto eho no etesen
You go me that. Say o man penny e cafe o man your policy and I say on wa bu ahedu e cafe o man your policy there ma kuku that she cost right. I agree. Me too and correct. Na kan ya no ma fia kusi say wo mo fertilizer no no de makwa.
101.7.
Abi. Who bet you that we made the makwa? The next question is if you were and not if you were. One would want more like fertilizer and yet it's the physical fertilizer in the system.
Mama fanche
Any force would each other new. Kwame, my teacher also. Kwame, I fee. What are fuel? I good came. My father walker. A good year be able to be a big coupon. Nakoto fuel boom. I say, or by January. It's no Kwame coupon make a certain amount. 1,000 coupon or on ODG 500. It is every 1,000 you do have a minute different. And you're fully in the I do back and say, coupon, Kwame, and you give me the man. That was the policy they were implementing. They made it the statement, they're not bad by physical fertilizer for the farmers. Yeah, they are not. Yes, you have 50%. And the fertilizer is available wherever. Now, Bobby, idea we think of and we'll be out to my Fakanofa, or Consua Binyabi. Nadia Kuguso, the other Makuku Nasumo.
Dear, my father won't be a cannibal now, the Tonafa Koguso, and the Bemanaswan. I said, the any idea, we are there, Nadia Kuguso.
Only that's the difference. One do a kind, but a physical delivery wasn't there. Wasn't there. Now, what you call Joma Obatono, say, my mouth, dear. Who could you mark Otono say 10 cities out upon 10 cities? Miss you okay, media. We make 5 cities. Actually, they may make you sort of be a fertilizer and all. It will buy. No, the 5 cities. If there's all the cotton 10, that will marketplace. That's the difference. No one tell me, you see, even say, make credit former president, Jerry emails, make credit, with the 1 million tons now you achieve, may he so rest in perfect peace because about the time, you can't be about time I was taking the that notwithstanding, no. The actual credit goes to former President J. Ekufuor. Because former President J. Ekufuor and a year projection share with good policies like my training, extension work, free seedlings, fertilizer, subsidized fertilizers, several inputs, spraying machines with spraying guns. And what such a system in one of the meeting in a young country. And what project is said by that time, they can hit 1 million tons. The former President Kufuor Fiso, he hit 750. Then, Papa na you be President no big chance so 1 million tons. After 1 million tons, the policies now, I'm a penny for the buyer. Yet, tell me back, and if you become. Apart from home free fertilizer, only come on fertilizer and system. Tell me. And it started declining.
Okay, FM.
I go so ya ta ba maso ya ba ye no policies na o man panin kofo institute aka no free so no e bu akoku akuafo ya ba pegem ya pegem no ya ta di bia ka ho pollination ni ade pollination me mafu agric extension officer ko punu ya o mo commendu o machi na edu me da mi ko mu no mi dina wa kwa mi kamiti mu twa kokodu so machi twa kokodu mu no Africa na me ma hye me no is just almost am yare anu mo na agbo ma kokodu so mo then almost akọ pollination 1 acre emami now the baby on your pollination to the other side now you see the clear difference. These are policies that work. When you go call us at this biwa or say about my numbers. I know what the other 2 years on a decline. That's what it. No, we not have a master not in the Peja. President Kufo by over 2 about 375,000 pounds. In 2000, also, now do 750,000 tons. 1 year, 100% plus. Now what? We buy over 2 years to create our what? As you come, cocoa farmers, no, or many G. And I had about 2 per you. Over original. How much a motorbike? About 59 to extension officers. The first mobility a problem. It's not there.
Okay, FM.
Now we know that some of our cocoa farms, you can use motorbike easily because most of the do baby a footpath. When you look around to China, district directors, they all have pickers. Find your support system. Apart from the social interventions like pruning, air pollination, we are supporting them with the logistics that will enable them also to deliver.
Ana mo na just say the gidie bia ni NDC fo mu per the wo kan say o mbi kwa be about 2020.
Oh. Na me da o ku yi former president Mahama na Misri. E na me born free hehe. Na obi a wakuma say no abetin samri aye one record ne da ho. Aye betima ko tu record no. E di aye mfa. E di atoto de wo ho ne ho. Onko yi obi a na o meji Sudan ke be ha me. Ko de agba go mu ko yi so bi me we me ka sem kasa. Joshua Labia. Abe na me be akọ former Accra Police. Na wakọ jumo didi na se bi fa no ho a. Na be ni da. E dey papa ni binya. There was a relationship between that and the presidency. But when there, okay, what be the vice president? Everyone have the extra time president. Everyone have the president view. Result ni now. Ya the best will be You know me, Kwame. There are such government policies, Afantimantem for being now more fresh. Now you're quite a practice. You're being a quite beer, yes. In himself, now graduation. And can say, ABN 2020 and IV 2024. Now, Santimantem quite now, I will never say that. No more, the strategic plans, namely, a bino to one upon Ama, ye fata as a region. Really, Yami, planting for food and jobs. Kwame, so what they are free room here. What's now? The guys are known and they have a fox. What is that? I will go for. Now omna body no mo makoro wona beto ko body ko dia afi o ma effort body ko Ouagadougou opa bramema dis ni wa akọ Ouagadougou Burkina Faso helia o ma kreti agogo kante market we have fast to bargain. What now? For 25 years, since 1992. And then every abugu for in Miami. I'm not broke, I'm not munyabi. Body a munyabi. For 25 years, even when God had roots in 2012. Come on, Copaman and Training Fuel. Most of them and training, apart from the woman you are money and inquire. One must have to come my rip and control Puma before their husbands. You buy what did we do? Let's get your soldier for free for Cockatoo. Yet the Oracle and the museum or baby and training up to allow the forces on the ground to track them and drive them. Once you are free back, yes, for two bodies free as Antiasmabo. We have the information, we have the record, and these are the things I'm going to tell the people in 2020. Okay. Not the propaganda.
Okay. Ana medasa no pay.
You make me that in Amisha.
Mate, me hu anim so wa yie na se.
Ala yin je meba.
Mate ona medasa pa. You bye bye. Wonim nyamfo Simon Osei Mensa a Ashanti Regional Minister. Ena ye ne twetwe nkomo former MP for Bosomtwe.
Okay FM 101.7.